Hi guys, it's me Jimmy and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to do a posterior short leg splint. This splint is indicated for patients with ankle sprains, ankle dislocations, Achilles tendon ruptures, distal tibia and fibula fractures, and tarsal and metatarsal injuries. Go grab your materials and let's begin. Materials needed: an orthopedic synthetic splint, stockinette, scissors, elastic bandages, and a tape measure. Make sure the patient is comfortable. Place a pillow under the patient's thigh for their comfort and ease in performing the procedure. Measure the necessary length of splint to be used. Start 2 finger breadths under the patient's popliteal fossa so that the patient can comfortably bend their knees. Continue to measure all the way down to the patient's foot until 4 centimeters past their toes. Put a stockinette on to protect the patient's skin and keep it dry, up until the tip of the patella while the other end is well past the patient's toes. Measure and cut the splint accordingly. Soak in warm water and squeeze out the excess moisture. Both an L-shaped posterior splint and a U-shaped syrup are used. Place the posterior lower leg splint 2 finger breadths below the popliteal fossa. Maintain the patient's foot at a neutral 90 degrees. Then place a U-shaped syrup covering the medial and lateral sides of the leg, ensuring a neutral 90 degrees. Wrap the leg in splint with elastic bandage. Be snug but not too tight. Roll the bandage around without pulling and secure with the metal clips. Roll the open end of the stockinette over the toes and the posterior splint. Adequately expose the toes to check for circulation. Continue wrapping with the elastic bandage. Make a turn over the edge of the posterior splint that lies underneath the patient's toes, and then make a figure of 8 under the bottom of the foot and secure with the metal clips. For the last wrap, roll down the stockinette over the edge of the initial bandage. Then proceed with the overwrap all the way down, covering the whole splint. Mold the splint to ensure that there are no rough edges. Check for circulation in the toes. All done! So that's it for this video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two about how to do a posterior short leg splint. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any more video suggestions that you want me to do. So that's it. I'm Jimmy and see you on the next one. Bye!